What is up, investors? Jason here. So in this video, we're going to be talking about altcoins again, as we are seeing Bitcoin above $60,000 right now. At any moment, it's going to be surpassing its all-time high, and these altcoins are seeing some of them break out. We just saw Polkadot break out and approaching its all-time highs right now. But the other ones like Cardano and Solana, they're still trading sideways right now. So in this video, I just want to talk a bit about this, talk about what I'm seeing, talk about these trends that we're seeing over in the crypto space right now, and how the most bullish behavior in the entire crypto market is right now. There is a lot of money being pumped into cryptocurrencies, and these are things that we need to be paying attention to. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread these videos for people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, what I'm paying attention to right now is this fear and greed index. Now, we currently have the whole crypto market over in the extreme greed territory. So this is something that we need to really be paying attention to what's going on in the crypto market. We have Bitcoin so high, priced so high right now, near its all-time high, potentially going to be surpassing that at any moment, and just a lot of money coming into the whole crypto space. But yet, we still have a lot of these cryptocurrencies like Cardano, who is trading sideways, and it's been trading sideways for the whole month of October. It's just been moving along, staying within this support and resistance, and really waiting for the opportunity to be breaking out. But we've seen other cryptocurrencies like Polkadot, that these altcoins like Polkadot, that have recently had a big breakout, and we're seeing Polkadot approaching its all-time high at this moment, and it's just seeing a little bit of resistance over at that price of $45. Now, I made the video yesterday talking about Polkadot, if anybody did watch that, and there's a lot of great things, though, that are really helping drive the price of Polkadot at this moment, and it doesn't really have a whole lot to go before it surpasses that all-time high that it was at back in May. So it's only got a few bucks to go after it gets past its resistance to pass that price of $50 and continue going up from there. And I think that the possibility of Polkadot going to a price like $70 is something that we might be seeing by the end of this year, and that's something that we need to be watching, as we're expecting a big catalyst. There are parachain auctions coming out on November 11th. That's the largest catalyst going on with Polkadot at this moment, and that's also something that could really be helping out all the altcoins in general, as this is a purpose that Polkadot has that really benefits all cryptocurrencies in general. Now, then I'm going to talk about XRP here for a second. So if you're somebody that likes XRP and you want to hear more about it, please do consider subscribing it, because I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date more on XRP as well. But looking at how things have been going here recently, looking at where XRP was in the first week or so of September, when we had around like $1.40, and then with Bitcoin and every cryptocurrency at that time saw a bit of pullback happen around there. And that was due to the El Salvador priced in with Bitcoin, and then the FUD we got from China. But as we've been seeing the whole crypto market moving up in October, the whole Uptober going on, that's when we're seeing that nice rise now with XRP, and it has a ways to go to continue breaking out and getting to that price that it was at back in September, which it seems like it's on track to doing so. It's doing a nice little V-shaped correction. As you guys know, if you follow me, I like seeing that. I like seeing the price just turn around and trend back up just as fast as it was going down. Now, there are other things going on with XRP, which I will most likely be covering in a full video here in the not too distant future. But when we do look at what's going on with all these cryptocurrencies, all these altcoins, we're slowly seeing these altcoins start trending up a bit. Some are and some are not. Now, in the case of Cardano, in the case of Solana, we're not really seeing a whole lot going on with those, but we are seeing a bit more of a breakout coming with Polkadot and XRP, and these are some of the largest altcoins that are out there. They are ones that the price of Bitcoin really does influence a lot with what they're doing. And now that we have Bitcoin in that $60,000 price, I wouldn't be surprised that as we do get to that all-time high, that the breakout for all these altcoins, all these larger altcoins, especially the ones that do have the smart contract capabilities, to happen when Bitcoin hits that all-time high. Now, looking at the price of Bitcoin, it doesn't really have a whole lot to go to, past that all-time high, with it hanging out around the price of $60,000, $61,000. The all-time high is a little bit under the price of $65,000, and we've easily seen Bitcoin move, $5,000+ in a day, no problem, many times in the past. So at any moment, this is something that could happen, especially with these catalysts that we have put in place, with the Bitcoin futures ETF, and that's just bringing us more closer to even more institutions buying more Bitcoin, and as well as other cryptocurrencies. This is really going to possibly be leading into a lot more things. And I wouldn't be surprised, that we don't hit that price of Bitcoin being at $100,000 even before the end of 2021. So there's a lot of great things to really be looking forward to. A lot of things that I think that the whole market is just going to continue trending up. Now, when we look at the entire cryptocurrency market cap, it's a little bit less than $2.5 billion, and Bitcoin itself makes up a little bit more than 46% of that at this moment. But Bitcoin and Ethereum, they make up more than 60% of the entire cryptocurrency market cap. Now, the rest of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap still have a ways to go before they even catch up to Ethereum, but they are also making some pretty large moves at this time. And I wouldn't be surprised as time does go on and we see many of these other altcoins that are out there, like Shiba Inu, for example, which is number 20 on this list at this moment, has seen an amazing run recently, has gone through a lot of growth. And as we start having more purpose for these altcoins, I wouldn't be surprised that if we don't soon see the entire crypto market cap eventually in the next couple years or so be larger than the entire U.S. stock market by market cap. And just to give you an idea of how quickly we're seeing a lot of this growth happen with cryptocurrencies, just looking at where we were at just over these last 3 months, for example, when the entire market cap of all the cryptocurrencies combined had a market cap value of around $1.2 trillion. Now, where we're at today at this moment, $2.48 trillion. So we doubled in less than 3 months. We've doubled the price of the entire market cap. So I think as we continue to see the price of Bitcoin going up and these catalysts that it has in its favor right now are going to continue helping it, the cryptocurrencies that we're seeing trading sideways like Cardano, Solana, those ones right now, I think that when they do get their moment to really have a big breakout, we're going to see a larger increase in the entire cryptocurrency market cap combined. And I think that that's going to really add a lot to the fear and greed index and continue this buying activity as time does go on. I think that we have a lot to look forward to in this moment now and as time does go on for the rest of this year. And I think that the altcoin market is something that we need to be paying a lot of attention to now, since we've seen what has been going on with Bitcoin. I think we have a lot that's going to be offered to us as long as things keep going the way that they're going. So with that being said, I'd like to hear what your guys' thoughts are. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon. Thanks for watching.